Hi everyone, today I'm in Newton, Massachusetts, one of its 13 villages, Newton Upper Falls, known for its history and it's a vibrant place to live. This property was reimagined and reconstructed in 2018-2019. They gave an incredible amount of attention to the architectural detail, the custom stonework, brickwork, and it's surrounded by beautiful gardens. Come on inside and I'll show you this luxury townhome. Thanks for coming in. I'm Sandra Siciliano with Dwell360 Real Estate, and it's such a pleasure for me to show you this beautiful home. Its impressive elements continue on the inside with the custom millwork, the high ceilings, large windows, this beautiful 8-foot island in a gourmet kitchen. The open floor plan lends itself to living and entertaining in a bright and beautiful space. On the second floor, we have 2 good-sized bedrooms, a beautiful full bath. And then here we have the primary suite with great light, great space, and its own bathroom. Now we're in the lower level with additional living space. This is set up as a family room and gym. Then we go down in here to the luxurious 3rd bath, the laundry, and then on into the 4th bedroom with large windows and very large closets. It's a beautiful space. Thanks so much for touring this beautiful property with me today. I'm Sandra Siciliano, and I want you to reach out to me for your own private tour or attend one of the open houses. Thanks so much.